Do you feel helpless when trying to interact with your server builds? It's time for that to change. Retake control of your server with Server Command Console. At some point, you've probably had the need to perform actions on your server at runtime, whether it be to run a test or perhaps interact with the game itself, such as changing the scene. Before I continue, I want to mention that this relies on the server console, which means it will only work on a Windows platform. Sorry, Linux users. On my screen, I have my server open as well as a client build so that I may connect to the server. I'm going to do that now. Typically, you are not able to type in the server console window, but after this tutorial, that will change, and you can use your inputs to run commands. I've already made these changes, so I'm going to demo two commands I've made. The first is a kick all command, which will kick all connected clients. The other command is quit, which, as you've probably guessed, quits the server. You can code in any number of commands interacting with your game normally. A portion of this code was originally provided by Gary's blog at gary.tv. I had to fill in some blanks, but if you're interested in his post, you can find a link in the description of this video. This is a supporter-only tutorial and will work with any networking solution. If you're interested in the full tutorial where I show step by step, check out the description of this video.